Hello, people of YouTube. Welcome to the new channel of mine, ISA Investor UK. This is going to be documenting my journey, hopefully, to financial independence through stocks and shares investing. So I'm using the ISA because I'm in the UK and it's the most tax efficient way of investing. You get capital gains and dividends tax completely free. The only limit is that you can put £20,000 a year into each account, which is quite a lot more than it used to be. It used to be about 5,000, so the £20,000 limit now sort of allows most people to pretty much invest as much as they would want to. I'm using this tax year from April just gone. I've been using Trading212. Seems like a good platform. There's no platform fee and no trading fees for buying and selling stocks and shares. So it seems like a good platform to use. Plenty of options for stocks, shares, ETFs, most of the things I would want. I was with Hargreaves Lansdown and sort of got frustrated with them through the mainly buying and selling of individual stocks, sort of a bit like the Fidelity and sort of some of the American traditional brokers. Hargreaves charge £12 for buying and selling individual stocks and ETFs. So that adds up over time. Didn't really want to do that anymore. So I'm looking to move the Hargreaves Lansdown ISA and probably have two separate ones running at the same time. So just give you a quick idea of what I'm invested in. A lot of it is gold and silver mining shares, because I'm not too confident on the economy at the moment with the virus. But long term, I want to probably sell out of these gold mining and silver mining positions and move into a more of a sort of dividend growth portfolio. But yeah, so that's my Trading212 portfolio. I can go into more detail on this in a future video. But yeah, so I started this in April, and if I show you my Hargreaves Lansdown one, that's entirely gold and silver miners. Yeah, so I'll be moving this to a new platform and hopefully sort of getting more into ordinary stocks and shares and ETFs. Hopefully if we have a little bit of a pullback. But yeah, so if you're interested in sort of following this journey and seeing where things take me, then by all means subscribe and see where we go. If you're interested in trading with Trading212, there's an affiliate link in the description, and I'll put a pinned comment, and if you sign up and I think deposit a small amount, then we both get a free share. Yeah, so like the video, comment, let me know your thoughts, share it with the whole world, and see you soon.